Do you know that you can watch short videos and also create short videos and make money? I'm not talking about YouTube. You watch short videos and you create short videos and make money. And it simply means if you're creating short videos on YouTube for your YouTube videos, you can still take these same short videos to that particular app and website I'm about to unbox to you, and then make money from the comfort of your home without stress. You guys know that recently a lot of people fell in love with short content, and a lot of websites have been able to come to prove website that can actually give you short content that you can watch and then make money. But a lot of you guys might be seeing this app, or you might be seeing this website, or you might be seeing their ads display, and you don't even care. One thing I do for myself is once I see any app, I first of all go and try it out, and once this is successful, I humbly bring it down to your channel so that you also can make money. And mind you, this app is not demanding you to put any money. Before someone will be like, oh, I'm not going to put money. You're not going to put money. All you need to do is to go to your Play Store or your App Store and do what? Tap on this particular app, install it, register as simple as possible, and start making money. And before we go into deep about this app, I'm going to be doing what? Putting out a disclaimer here. Feel free to carry out your research before you go into this particular app. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. It's Vibe Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time seeing it, do not subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment. Lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. So guys, my screen record is all started, and if you check, this app is called Chili app. So I've done the videos about Chili app countless times as well, but let me show you guys a detailed tutorials. Now let me show you how much I have on Chili before I'll go ahead to show you everything that you need to get on Chili app. So right now, if you check the amount I've been able to make, let's click on this other side and then click on what? This place. Let's see my wallet. You can see that right now I have $19.25, okay? And for the $19.25, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I am able to achieve this. Now, how am I able to achieve this? All I needed to do for me to achieve this is for me to watch short videos. Now, these short videos are not videos that will actually take your time. For example, you can see this particular short videos that is displaying here. And now if you see this particular video that is displaying here, I can just give this video a like. And if I wish to share this video, I can just click on the share arrow and then share this video as well. And this is another beautiful part about this Chili app. You can see this particular coin that is also accumulating here. They said it is awarded in the feed in the tax center for referral program. When it appears on exchange, you will be able to trade it for money. For 50K easy, your content will get to the top. You can see it here. So this is the joy. So the moment you're watching this video, the coins will be accumulating. Let's go to the next one. You can see that the moment I play another video, more coins will go up and be accumulating. You can also make money with this. Now, these are short videos that I will watch. After watching these short videos, I will what? Get money. And once I get this money, this is where you're seeing this $7.42. So these are the money that I get from just watching videos, short videos on Chili. Now, if you click on my profile as well, you can see that my likes, I have 30.5K likes, I have 2.4K followers, and I'm following 0 persons. So if you want to follow me on Chili, follow me on Chili at Miss_Sonia555 as well. Now, how do my videos make money? If you guys check very well, these are most of the videos that I usually upload on my short videos or on my short feed, and I bring these short feed videos here as well so that I can use these short videos to actually make money. Now, the simple thing I do is after uploading my short videos on YouTube, I come here directly, and once I come here directly, I check on my short feed end like this and upload them. Now, how do you upload? Let me show you how you can upload. Now, you click on this create, and once you click on create, you can click on this other end as well, and once you click it, it's going to take you directly to your YouTube to your gallery, you can then go ahead and upload your videos. Now, how do you make money here now? Now, if you check this particular place that I'm having some likes, there are places that you can actually be able to donate Lee. They call it donate Lee, you understand? And once you donate Lee to this person, it simply means this person can actually make money from YouTube, from content that they created, you understand? So different videos here, a lot of people can actually help you donate Lee here, and you can make money just for them donating Lee and just for other people to also watch your content. So as Chili is recommending people's content for you to watch and make money, you also will be creating your content so that Chili can also recommend your own content to another people so that they can also make money. Then for people that want to make $1,000, $5,000, $3,000, 500 USDT fast and as quick as possible, you go to this market. And when you go to this market, these are places where you can buy glasses. You can see they said buy to get up to $3. So you can see that the least glass that they are selling here now is $1. So if you use $1 to buy glasses, you can use this $1 glasses that you've bought to watch other videos and make up to $3. Now the certainty is that you might not make up to 3.40 USDT, but you can get up to 2.40 USDT, or even more than this 3.40 USDT. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. So you can see it here. So if you want to buy glass, you can go ahead and buy any of these Chili glasses. The most good and sweetest part of Chili is there is no glasses that you're going to be buying here that you're going to lose. But if you don't want to invest money at all, you are not in the business of putting your money out there for anybody. Your own is just watch short videos and create short videos. All you need to do is do what? Start uploading your short videos. Once you're uploading your short videos, you can see my short videos that I have here. People are going to be donating Lee, and Chili is also going to be what? Putting your money as your views, depending on the views that you're getting. You understand? Just like YouTube, depending on the views that you're getting on your short form videos, that's how you are also going to be getting paid on Chili. Now, once you are done, if you want to withdraw, you click on the marketplace, you click on wallet, and you can successfully withdraw your money to your local bank accounts. And yes, this is one of the apps that I've been able to make money watching short and also uploading short videos on Chili. Anyways, I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. If you started making money on Chili, let me know in the comment section. If this is the first time you're hearing about this particular app I'm talking about, also let me know in the comment section. But yes, I know you can make money here, and I've been making money here, and that's why I'm able to expose this to you guys. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be seeing, but I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.